Posting on social media manually is dead. Think about it. You spend hours brainstorming ideas, writing captions, finding images, editing, approving, scheduling. It's a full-time job that burns you out or costs you $3,000 a month to hire someone else. But what if I told you that you can automate 100% of this process? Not just scheduling posts, I'm talking about the thinking, the writing, the creating, even the posting. Last week a client called me. He sounded exhausted. He runs a great business, but he told me, Anton, I feel like I slave to Instagram. I spend 3 hours a day writing captions, fighting with Canva and checking typos. I have no time actually run my business. He was ready to hire a social media manager for $3,000. I told him, stop, don't do it. Instead, I built him an AI employee. It works 24/7, it never complains, it never asks for a raise, and it costs $2 a month. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I built it, so you can fire your routine and get your life back. Before I show you the blueprint, listen to me closely. If you want to automate your business almost for free, or break the system and 10x your profit this year, hit the subscribe right now, because this channel is your cheat sheet for 2026. And this isn't just for business owners. If you are an employee, pay attention. Learning these tools is the only way to not get replaced. It's how you become the most valuable person in the room. It's how you double your income and secure your family's future. Don't just watch, learn. Now let's go to see this agent. Okay, let's look under the hood. First, we need content. I split the whole workflow on 4 parts. And the first part is brainstorm and content. But we don't want ChatGPT to just guess and hallucinate. So I connected Tavily. Think of it as a super fast Google for AI. It searched for the latest news in your niche and so on. Then ChatGPT, acting as a social media expert, takes news. Let me show you, here's his role. So, takes that news and writes a viral post for you. Fresh content, zero effort. Second block, so here in this tab we generated post. You see it on the right side of the screen. Next one, we need to generate an image. Now, nobody reads walls of text. You need a picture. So from the first part that we see here, brainstorm and content, we are pushing our post to the next stage. I called it visual generation, and it's generate prompt for our next step, where we will be getting our picture. The system takes the new post and writes a prompt for an image. I use FreePic here. Why? Because it's fast and looks great, and under the hood I use Seedream, but you can use any image generation tool, so it doesn't matter. I can't show you what exactly inside these nodes, but it's pretty easy to configure it. And I have there some API keys, so yeah, it's kind of secure. On this tab we are waiting for the image. I added to wait 20 seconds, but you can add more or less. And I made a loop. So after we post in our prompt for generating an image, it's wait for 20 seconds and get some information. So is it finished to generate this picture? And this if node, if it gets no after 20 seconds, it's going back with this little loop, and it's wait another 20 seconds. Usually it takes like 1 or 2 loops, depends. So if it's true, it's going to next type, human approval. It's actually the best part, this approval. It sends the draft to your Telegram, you see the text and the image, and you have two buttons. It's like approve and decline. If you decline, a robot goes back, so it receives your answer. Robot goes back and regenerate everything from scratch. For example, if you don't like your post or you don't like your picture, just click decline, it's go back, it's automatically regenerate everything and send you back again new post. Let's do the interesting work. Let's start in our workflow. So here you see it's going to OpenAI, then asking heavily about the news or something like that. It's creating, let's see. It's created some news, some interesting news. It's going further, and it's based on this news. It creates prompt for our free pick for image generation tool. Now you see it's on the stage wait, and it sent us. Let I open. And it sent us post for approval. So you see it here, where I try to fetch some blah 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 blah. It doesn't interested right now, maybe it needs some text, but it generated this image. This company located in Las Vegas, so this is a Hoover Dam. And let me show you that we don't have this post here. I refreshed the page, social media page of this company. So last post it was 10 hours ago with this gold car, and here's actually the gold car too. So we're coming back to our workflow, and it's still wait on this stage for our answer. We are going to approve it. Approve. And it's go further, it's posting to Instagram right now. And posting to Facebook. Done. Let I show you how it works. Let me refresh this page. Yep, this is our last picture, and let's refresh Facebook. Yep, it's done. Everything done. So you are the director. The AI is just the intern doing the legwork. About the publishing, here's a little secret. You could use tool like Blutato, but it costs $29 a month. You can easily connect your Facebook, Instagram, X, and so on. So all your social media, and use it in an A10. But I wanted to save my client money, so I took the hard road. I connected Instagram and Facebook directly via Facebook Developer Tool. Here it is. It's a bit of headache to set up once, but then it runs for free. So why pay for a subscription if you can have it for free, right? Business owners, I think, will understand me. And finally, yeah, it's posted into Instagram, Facebook. This stage merge is getting result from posting to Instagram and Facebook and sending us a message that everything done. Let's see, post published successfully. And that's it. My client used to spend 3 hours a day stressing over content. Now he just taps approve while drinking his morning coffee, or while walking the dog, or whenever he has a spare minute. He didn't spend $3,000 on a salary, he didn't spend $29 on tools, he hacked the system. And here's the crazy thought, if you really trust the AI, you can even delete this approval step, just let it run. 100% autonomous. Content appearing on your feed while you sleep. That is the freedom. If you want to build this yourself, and you don't know where to start, maybe that Facebook API part sounds scary, drop a comment saying tutorial. If I see enough interested, I will make a full step-by-step guide from scratch. But if you are a business owner and you want to save time and you want this exact setup built for your company, my email is in the description. Let's talk. And if you are wondering what other expensive employees can I replace with AI, I actually made a full breakdown of the top 5 roles that are being automated right now. It might save you even more money. Tap this video right here. See you there.